Hello guys, welcome to new video class for Sketchware developers. Guys, this is a new channel for Sketchware developers. It's make new applications for Android in Sketchware application. So let us start our class. I'm open the Sketchware application. Just wait. Then create a new project. Today we are creating a different project. Just a splash screen. This is just a beginning. So we are just creating a splash screen. Okay, splash screen. So just tap to change icon, then create applic, then just load and open it, new window. Then choose it linear vertical, drag it on screen, then choose the width and match where and select. Then gravity, choose center horizontal, center vertical, select. Just keep back and main symbol, click, then tap to this pen icon. Just wait and tap to this pen icon and untick toolbar. Then screen orientation both, select, keyboard settings hidden, then save, then back to click, then main symbol again, click, then tap to plus icon, then create new page. This is main interface. Okay, then untick toolbar and both and hide and click, then add, choose main symbol, then we are created a linear vertical, then choose the image view, drag it on screen, then save to a image. So we are going to save an image. Click on the three dots, then choose a image, then click the plus icon, add image option, click, go to gallery. After all add an image, then choose a name, just type in splash, then add to my collection and save it. Just wait and go back. Just wait, now loading. Then choose image view, then choose image option, then default to change splash screen and select it. So this is a bigger picture, so we have to change the width and height, and choosing for width 100 sp and height also 100 sp. Then I'm going to style type fit center. Okay, it's look like so beautiful. So then we are changing the background color on yellow color. Okay, that's look like so nice. Okay, then we have to do a button, so we have to selecting a button. Okay, and before selecting a button we have to want a linear horizontal, so I'm choosed that. Then height match parent, select linear horizontal. Okay, then image you select, and then weight, choose one. Sorry, that's not weight. Sorry. Okay. Okay, like listen for this. Then height to click and choose 500 and back and 300. So okay. Then we have to change a radius option. Okay. Now click the background linear vertical, then gravity to untick center horizontal, tick bottom and select it. Then image you don't right, so we have to move in center horizontal and center vertical linear layout, so it's a success. Then we have to add a button on a linear horizontals gravity to change center horizontal and center vertical, select it. Okay, then click on the button and change the text. Okay, go, just try typing go. Then text size, it's 18. Yeah, that's it, 18. Then text style bold. Okay, background color I'm choosing red. Text color I'm choosing yellow. Yeah, nice. So then we have to create a component. Then choose the component section and click the plus icon. Then choose a indent. Okay, indent and type a name on indent. Then add button, click. Then go to events. Then add a more block. So click on the more block and import from my collections. I'm adding on radius. Everyone's done now the radius more block. If you want, anyone's want this more block, uh, contact me personally. I'll give you the more block. Then go to on create. Okay, before we touch on the icon, then go to more block option. Okay, sorry, we have a mistake. We have done this radius button, so delete it. We have to import from my collections another radius, so choose this radiation is only for buttons like this guardian drawable and android graphics drawable, and so many guardians are available on this uh, source. So anyone don't want this, message me PMly. My contact number and WhatsApp number available on description. Okay, so we have to go on create activity, then choose the icon and go to more block, choose and drag it and select it on button 2. Sorry, I'm going on back. This is button 2. Yeah, this is button 2. Then we are going to on create, choose it button 2 and set radius to 15. Yeah, set radius to 15. That's enough. Then go to view and choose the button, and we have to go component option and set the stream, start activity, drag it on screen. Then when button to click the indent, then set the screen on main activity and indent. That's it. Then finish activity, then back it. Okay, then save it. Okay, it's also completed. Then we have to run this application. Guys, this is just a introduction class, so we have to upload more videos on this YouTube channel. So if you want to more videos, subscribe the channel for more videos. Okay, application was installed, so I am choosing package installing. Okay, splash is installed, the button click. This like installing fast, very low KBs are only. So we have to choose open. Look guys, we have successfully created a splash screen application. So we have to go the button click, then we have to go in another page. This is root creation. You know that the splash screen application is 100% successful. So guys, if you want to more videos, subscribe the channel. If you like it, like the button, and if you want more videos on notification, enable bell icon. So bye guys, for more videos subscribe this channel.